Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how to set up your gradebook this year, and good news, I found a fast, easy way to do it. Okay, so you want to make sure you're in the correct year, and you need to start with reading because we don't set up anything for homeroom. You need to add your categories, which for us it's only classwork, quizzes, test projects. Those are the only two categories the district requires. The other ones are there because those are ones I used to have set up before the district gave us requirements. You're going to go to grade setup and you're going to have to put in the same thing for all of these. So I've already done mine. I went to category weights, added my categories. Oops, I messed that up. 55, 45. And then click save. And semester 1, category weights, 55, 45. Save. Oh my gosh, I'd mess up all these. 55, 45. Okay, now that that's saved, all you have to do is click F1, copy, entire class, OK, and then select everything else you want it to copy to. And so the same setup will be selected for every class. And there it is. And you're all done. Hope that helps.